Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we gonna solve a new Leetcode problem. It's basically the Leetcode daily problem August 26, 2024. So if you see the problem says that you have N-ary tree post order traversal. You have to find post order traversal. It means that you have to first explore all the child and then you have to print root. If you can remember the post order traversal in the binary tree, what we were doing, we were just printing the left subtree and then right subtree and then value of root. So these are also the similar case, but in this example if you will see that a node can contain more than two children. That's an array tree are given to us. So how you will solve this problem? If you will see this example, let's start with this example. Yeah, these are the example. If you will see that what we were doing in binary tree in post order traversal, we just print the left plus right plus root. These are left subtree and then right subtree and then root. So in this example we will just, these are the root, these are all the children, so you have to first explore all the children. So these are the call will begin to here, and then these are the child, then this node will call to its child, this child and then this child. So at the end there is no further child for the node 5 and for the node 6, so it will just print 5 and 6, and then these two node, these 5 and 6 node already have been explored, so control will go to the node 3 and this node 3 now be printed. So this subtree have been explored. Now this subtree will be explored because no further child, so 2 will be printed here. So control will back to this node and again this node will call this node 4. So there is no further child, so we will just print the node 4 and again the control will go to the 1 and this one no further any no subtree have to explore, so we will just print here the node 1. So if you will see that the output is similar to our output. So these are the way we will find the post order traversal for N-ary tree. These are basically the N-ary tree. So you just have to just think about the and these, if you will see that these are the definition of the node, how a node is getting formed in this N-ary tree. So if you will see, these are the two attributes that the node may contain the value and its children, and these are the three constructor. How to call this node and make a node? You can just simply without any argument, and if you see in the second constructor you can just pass the value, in the second in the third constructor you can just pass value with its children. So these are the way. So let's try to solve the problem. So to store the answer, what you have to make a variable so that you can return, store and return the answer. So answer, these are the array list in which I will store the answer. So I will return this answer at the end. So if you will start here, you have to make a method which will return nothing, and its name will be order. So what variable it will contain, root. Okay, and in each, if you gonna make a recursive call, you have to make a base case, and in this base case, whenever the root, whenever the node will be null, you have to return from here. Else what you will have to do, you have to traverse its children. So this will be the root. So says child, root dot what, root dot children. If you will see, the attribute is children here, so you will have to call the children. Okay, so in each time what you have to do, you have to call your post order method with child, and whenever you will see in your example, whenever you will see here, whenever you will see, whenever from here you went to here and then again went to here, and in this case when here it will call, it will return null, here again null. So in this case, now you have to store the value of this node. In the similar way, you will store the value of 6 and value of 3, and then again call and 2, and then again call 4, and again 1, in the similar way. So now answer dot add root dot, that's it, and you have to just call this method here. So post done. Okay, that's it. Let's try to run few test cases. You will see that our code giving the correct output. So try to submit it. So our code have been submitted, and it beats 62.21% of the people that they have submitted their code. Because if you will see here, you do not have to write another method, because our method is only containing a single parameter, same as the given here. So but the problem is that written statement here is list not integer, and in our case it is void. What I was thinking that I can use this method for the recursive call, but it cannot be happen because the return statement here is list dot integer. But you do not have to return here, you just have to store the data. So these are the way we can solve today's problem. It was interesting problem, and not too much easy problem for those people who have not have much experience how they can generate the root node. You have to learn that how you can construct this type of tree, and how you can construct this type of node, and how you can call their constructor, and how you can make these constructors and the structure of the node. So that's all about for the today's problem. I hope you will get a very useful knowledge from me to solve today's problem. If you have any query or maybe any suggestion, you can comment me in the comment section. I will try to resolve your query. Thank you. Stay healthy and keep coding.